This is Ma'am Ira Simagala and welcome to my channel again. So for today's video, I will be teaching you on how to check the school forms online na less ang hassle niya or in easier way. So paano ba gagawin yan? Of course, there is a way in which we could check the school forms online and offline using this kind of way. So in the traditional way of checking the school forms, we are used to the face-to-face checking of the school forms with our two teachers. But then, because of this situation that we are facing right now, because of this COVID-19, so we cannot go out in our houses and do the checking of forms face-to-face. So we are going to resort to the online checking. So, are you familiar with the Microsoft Excel Pixels? Are you familiar with that? Because that's what we will be using in our tutorial in the checking of forms online and offline. So basically, the forms that we will be needing in our checking of forms are SF1, SF2, SF5, SF9, and SF10. So these 5 forms are needed and it should be sent to your co-teachers online so that they could download it in their mobile phone or in their laptop so that they have something to... After you open the laptop, so presume na lang natin na natapos mo nang maibigay yung mga files na needed sa yung co-teacher like SF1, SF2, SF5, and SF9. Of course, yung SF10 will be yung nasa sayo or depende. O SF9 yung nasa sayo or ang SF10 depende lang sa inyo agreement with your co-teachers. Or dapat meron ka ring dapat you hold something from your file. Next thing that you will do is to open the Excel at hanipin mo doon yung summary grade ng inyong advisory. So for the sake of this tutorial, magbibigay lang ako ng example but not the real name of the students kasi po bawal. So example lang ha kung paano gagamitin yung Excel sa Microsoft Excel in which siya yung magbabasa ng kung ano ang nakalatag o kung ano ang nakasulat, ano ang naka-encode doon sa Microsoft Excel. So example, so this one, dapat nakasulat dito or naka-encode na dito yung LRN, yung name ng bata, yung age, yung birthday, then the grades from Filipino, I think Filipino ang mauna, then English, then math, then science, then Aral Pan, then TLE, then MAPI, and the grades under that under the MAPI grades like music, arts, PE, and then the ESP. Then after that you should have to add the columns for the number of days the students come in school. So dapat nakalagay na rin doon dahil ay ang Excel na ang bahalang magbabasa nito now. Ang tanong ngayon kung mayroon na bang Excel na nakalagay doon sa iyong Microsoft Excel. So ano ba ang larawan ng Excel? Ganito po 'yun. This one. Dapat merong ganyan sa menu ng inyong Microsoft Excel. And pag you're going to click that one, so lalabas po ito, yung Excels by columns, by rows, on enter, then stop speaking. So, para mabasa yan, para mabasa po ito, lahat ng nakasulat dyan, pati grades, names, and lahat na, kailangan mong i-highlight ito. So, example, naka-highlight na yung first one. Babasahin niya ni Excel. So, pakinggan ninyo.
16. Prokopy Arni. 91. 86. 89. Past.
So, mapapansin ninyo, hindi na siya nag-speak po kasi yun lang ang hina-highlight mo, yun lang ang binabasa niya. So, make sure that you highlighted everything that you wanted to be read by the speak cells of these speak cells. And if ever that you wanted to stop for that part para maantay mo ang iyong mga kasamahan, so you just have to click this one, stop speaking, and then go over again to this one. Next, yung next name ng bata na naman. Then, click the speak cells.
18. Johnny Honey. 97. 91. 94. Pass.
Okay, so see, ganun po ka-hassle-free ang pag-check ng form sa online, at pwede din siyang gawin offline. So, ibibigay mo lang itong yung final grades mo, yung babasahin po, ibibigay mo sa iyong mga kasamahan at sila na ang bahala for the speak cells. So, ganito ang gagawin pag wala pa po kayong speak cells, ganito. So, go over to the file. Punta kayo sa file. Okay, for a while. Tapos, pagkapunta ninyo sa file, you go to the options. That one. Pagkatapos nyong pumunta sa options, you go to the customize ribbon. Tapos, after the customize ribbon, you're going to look for the speak cell here in this part. For a while. Wala na po dito yung speak cells kasi po na-add na po siya dito. Yeah, so for example, hindi pa po siya na-add, punta lang kayo dito at hahanapin mo yung speak na word like this one. Tapos after you have opened that one, speak, next thing is you go to the new tab, like that one. You click the new tab. After you click the new tab, lalabas po dito yung new tab. Then right click po. Right click, Tapos i-rename mo po yan like ano pong itatawag niyo dyan. Rename speak, for example, speak tab, whatever is speak button, or depende sa inyo kung ano po ang itatawag niyo dyan. After you check that one, you go to the new group, and then after that, hanapin mo dito yung example lang. This is the speak one. You click that one and then you add. So kanina ang inuna ko yung speak then speak by column, and dyan yun lalabas dyan dito kung wala pa po kayong ganun sa inyong menu po. So lalabas dyan dito yung speak by column, speak by rows, at basta 5 yun na dapat ma-add mo. So pag click mo dyan, i-add mo po dito. So after that one, ma-add dyan siya dito. So makikita nyo dyan dito na mag-a-add po siya. So after you add that one, 5, yung 5 mag-add, saka mo i-okay. So babalik ka po doon at makikita mo na yun sa inyong menu sa Excel na mayroon ng speak cells. So yun na, yun lang ang gagawin. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.